Good morning, students. So, in yesterday's class, we started symmetry and pattern. In that, we saw what do we mean by symmetry and symmetrical shapes. Different types of symmetrical shapes in nature. Okay. Now we can see many patterns as we see in the nature. So one more example I can show you. See here. We can make with the paper also many different types of patterns. See here. Like this we can make many different types of patterns. Yes. Okay. So can you tell me what do you mean by symmetry? Yesterday we saw symmetry. Anyone tell? What do you mean by symmetry? Yes, any shape or any object, any figure which is divided into two same parts, two identical parts, means both sides it should be same. If we take this flower and if I fold in the middle, I will divide it. So both sides it should be same. That is symmetrical shape or symmetrical figure. See this. Here, this also face. You can see both sides same. If I fold in the middle, here also one eye, here also one eye, here one circle we can see, but it's not like that here. We can see this circle here down. Same, identical. So these figures are known as symmetrical figures, and that phenomena is known as, or the concept is known as symmetry. Okay, in nature also many symmetrical shapes we can see. In this butterfly is the best example. Bee, butterfly. These are the examples for symmetry. Yes. Okay. Again, we saw that if this figure, now if this is a circle and if I will divide it into two parts, this line which divides, that line is known as, what it is known as? Line of symmetry or axis of symmetry. Yes, axis of symmetry or line of symmetry. Okay, yes. Yes, and in alphabets also, many alphabets we can see uh, axis of symmetry, line of symmetry in vertical also, horizontal also. Yes. Okay. Again we saw what? Symmetry in plane figures. Means symmetry in square, symmetry in rectangle, symmetry in circle. Yes. Okay. Again we see that. Okay, so this is which shape? Okay, so this is a square. Yes. So square is a plane figure. What it is? It is a plane figure. And if I fold in the middle, if I will fold in the middle, I will get this line of symmetry. If I will fold here in the middle, like this, we can see here two times I have fold, horizontal also, vertical also. So we can see here two lines of symmetry for a square. Again, if I will fold like this also, cross, one more line of symmetry I will get. If I will fold like this also, see here so many lines of symmetry I will get. Yes, you can hear children? Yes. Okay. Circle. If I take circle, how many lines of symmetry I get? See here. This is one line of symmetry. If I fold in the middle, I'll get this one more line of symmetry. If I fold like this, we will get all identical only. See here. Circle, how many lines of symmetry I am getting? You can see. Okay. So, circle is a figure. It is a plane figure which will get many lines of symmetry. Many. We can't count because everywhere we will draw, no? Everywhere we will get line of symmetry. Square has only 4. Triangle will have only one line of symmetry. But 186. But circle will have many lines of symmetry. How many? Many we can't count. Okay? Understood this? See a circle. Circle is there. If we draw like this line of symmetry, we will get same shape. If I draw like this line of symmetry, then also I get same. If I draw like this, if I draw this, here, how many want we can make? Everywhere, every time, if I fold like this, same both side I am going to get. If I fold like this also, I'll get same. If I fold cross, if I fold like this slanting, everywhere I can fold this circle, I will get symmetrical shape only. Both sides same. Understood? Yes, ma'am. Yes. So circle is such a figure which has many lines of symmetry, many axes of symmetry. Okay? Yes. Now this is a which shape it is? Rectangle. Now rectangle, if I will fold vertically, if I fold vertically, I am getting one line of symmetry. If I fold horizontal, one more line of symmetry I get. Yes. Here one more line of symmetry I get. If I fold like this, like square, means rectangle, one line of symmetry, second line of symmetry, again we'll get like this also, both sides see. We can see both, no? Same. Here also we can see same. So rectangle also has how many lines of symmetry? 4. Okay. So if any figure is given, now if any figure is given, not only square or rectangle, it can be pentagon, 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again one more. Wait, I will draw pentagon. This is which shape? 5 sides or 6 sides? It is not a pentagon. Huh? It is not a pentagon. Which shape it is? See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hexagon it is. Yes, I draw your diagram. This is pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides, pentagon. 6 sides, hexagon. Now this is a pentagon. If I will draw axis in middle, we'll get one axis of symmetry. Yes? But if I draw horizontal, we can't get a we will get only vertical. Okay, so for any type of figures, any type of plane figures, we can draw line of symmetry. Okay, all figures will have different. Means some will have one, some will have two, some will have three. Now this hexagon. Hexagon means six-sided figure. Okay, see this like this. If I draw, we'll get same. Again, if I can draw like this also. I can draw like this also. I can draw like this also. I get four. How many I get? Four axes of symmetry. Okay? Yes? Okay, now tell me, you understood how to draw the axis of symmetry? Yes? Okay. Yes. So you can see page number 186, exercise 12.2. There they have given some figures. Square is given, one semicircle. It's like a semicircle. It's not a proper semicircle, but it's like that. Then they have given a pentagon. Then they have given here triangle. So you have to draw the lines of symmetry for that. Okay, you will draw with pencil. You have to draw. Yes. Okay. Now see, complete the following symmetrical shapes. Now see down. They have given the following. They have given only one side. This axis is given and one side is given. We have to complete this figure. So what will do? How to do? Complete this? Yes, same. How it is there? This side, same. You have to make like that. This side, it should look same. It should be same. Okay, mine is little. This is coming. You have to try to do the same on both sides. Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay. Now you can see one more other figure. Like this it is there. So how it will be that side? It will, okay, tell me, it will come like this or it will come like this down. Down it will come. How it will come? Down, yes, it will come like this. The symmetrical shape will be like this. Okay? It will look like this. You can draw that in your textbook with pencil. Okay. Next one is easy. Directly you can draw. Yes, square. So you have to try the other. Okay, for E, F, G and H, space is not given in textbook. So that you can draw in your notebook. Okay? Yes, still here any doubt? Symmetry, line of symmetry, how to draw line of symmetry, all understood? Okay. Yes. See, first one, page number 186, you do in textbook only. Only what is there in page number 187, that four figures you can do in notebook. Last one, okay, wait. Last one is shown like this. Straight it is. Then like this and like this. Yes. So how it will Tessellation. Okay. Now I will tell you what do you mean by tessellation. Okay. Now we saw that plane figures by using plane figures we can make different patterns. Yes. For example, if I take square, with the square we can make different patterns. No, like this. This is one type of pattern. If I take rectangle like this, a square like this, I can make different type of pattern. Yes, with shapes we can make different types of patterns. No, yes or no? Yes. So when we make different types of patterns by using plane shapes, but there should not be any space in between. When any space is not there in between, such shapes are known as, such patterns are known as tessellation. What it is known as? Tessellation. Now you tell me, when in construction, when they are constructing a wall, construction of wall, when they construct a wall, bricks they will keep, no, rectangular bricks. So first they will keep a brick like this, and then what they'll do, they'll keep one more brick like this, and in the middle they will put cement. One more brick they'll keep, and in middle they will put the cement. Again one more brick they will keep. Like this they make no walls. You know how walls are made? Yes, how? Like this walls will be made by putting in middle cement. Okay? Yes. So we can see when the walls are made, the brick is in which shape? It is in which shape? Rectangular shape. So a brick is arranged in rectangular shape by any gap is not, there will not be any gap. Such yes, yes, I'll tell you that also. First you have to understand what is tessellation. So I'm giving this example. Okay. Yes. So these figures are known as tessellation figures. Understood what do you mean by tessellation? Yes. Okay. Now in textbook, one more figure they have given. See this figure, you are telling about this figure. Yes. Yes. Yes, you are telling about this figure. But you can see it in middle it is making one shape. In middle also it is hexagon is made, no? Only they have not colored that shape. There is one plain shape. Yes, in middle it is there no one shape. So any gap is not there in between them. So these figures are known as tessellation. What these are known as? Because we are getting some shape there. It is four-sided. We are getting a hexagon here. Six-sided. Yes, no. Six-sided are what we are getting. Yes. Eight. Octagon we are getting here. Octagon. Okay. In that figure in textbook we are getting octagon here. Eight-sided figure. So that is also a plain figure only. So that pattern is also known as tessellation. Understood now? This figure. This figure, tessellation. Okay? So about tessellation, understood? Yes. So tessellation, it is a collection of plane shape with plane figures that fills the plane to form a pattern. Now this is a plane and we are making a pattern by using plane shapes. That is known as tessellation. Yes? Yes, Ria? Yes, you can take a pentagon, you can take, and in pentagon, inside in pentagon only you can draw different shapes by using pentagon. By using pentagon, only pentagon is to use and make different patterns. See, this is the one pattern only now. See here, it is pentagon only. I used six pentagons and made a pattern. This is a destination now. Okay? Yeah, understood? Not plain paper, plain shape, plain shape. On a plane means you can draw in your notebook also. In a plane. So this board is a plane. Your notebook is a plane. You have learned about plane. No, what is plane? So that this is a plane. In that plane, we are drawing a figure. In notebook, if you take a notebook also, that is also a plane only. It's not that you are drawing a plain paper without line. It's not like that. Okay? Otherwise, you can take a plain white paper, you can draw in that, and you can paste in your notebook. That also you can do. Okay. Yes? So, till here, any doubt? Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No one is having symmetry and tessellation? Okay. Now, yesterday I told you that you have to write your name and that you have to see in the mirror. You did that activity? Yes, ma'am. Okay, how? What you observed? Tell me. Okay. It was opposite. Means whatever you see in the mirror, that is not same. Now, if I am standing in front of the mirror, I can see that my right hand, if I take up, my right hand will be like this up. But in the mirror, I am not facing that side. I am facing this side. So my right hand will be this side. No. Yes. Understood? So it is opposite. In mirror, it will be opposite. Not it will be same. It will not same. If I take up my right hand like this in the mirror, I feel that my right hand is up, but I am facing that side. And mirror, my image is facing this side. Okay, that change is there. Opposite it is. Now, for example, see here you can see if we consider this is a mirror. If I draw alphabet R here, in mirror how it will look? Ma'am, opposite. It will look like this. Ma'am, opposite. If this is a mirror and if I will take, I draw B here. In mirror how it will look? It will look like this, opposite. Okay, it is opposite. Like this. So, whatever you see in the mirror, it is opposite. So that what we see image in the mirror, that is what it is a reflection. What it is? Reflection. Reflection. Yes, reflection. Our reflection, whatever we see in the mirror, that is our reflection. We are not standing there. That is our image. That is our reflection. So, what is reflection? A reflection, it is the image. It is the image of any object or shape which corresponding to any appearance means that is our image. We are not going and standing there. It is our image, our photocopy like that. Okay, how in photograph you will get no our image. So that whatever see in the mirror, that is known as our reflection. Okay? Yes, some see a edge. In mirror it will look same. Some alphabets, some shapes, it will look same only because they are both sides it is same only. Now this R is having this side line and this side figure is there. But H is having both sides same. So it will look same only. You can take T. How T will look in the mirror? Same. It will look like this only. Yes. Okay. Yes. So you saw here in the mirror. Now what you have to do? It's like an activity. You have written your name and you have seen in mirror how it looks. So that mirror how it looks. That in your notebook only you have to write up activity and you write there your name and here you write your name and this side mirror image. Whatever how you see in the mirror, that you have to write here. Okay? You will write yes, how it will look in the mirror, that you have to write here. One page you do and keep. When you will give notebooks for correction, that time I will correct. Okay? In mirror, after exercise 2.2, you do this activity. Yes, yes, ask out. See, reflection means whatever we see in the mirror, you see no how it looks. It looks opposite. Our reflection, our appearance means we are not going and standing there. There is one image. Whatever image we see in the mirror, our image, our appearance means we are not going and standing, but it looks same in the mirror. That is reflection. Whatever shape, whatever figure we see in the mirror, it looks same. That is reflection, our reflection. Yes? Cleared or again you are writing down? That I have told you, you have to list out the alphabets which will have axis of symmetry vertically. All alphabets will not have vertically. Some alphabet will have vertically, some will have horizontally, some will have slanting also. So you have to take only those alphabets and you have to write. Yes? You have to choose. You write and keep in rough. You write and keep first all alphabets and see that which alphabet you will get vertical, which you will get horizontal. Then those alphabets you can copy, write. Don't draw big alphabets in notebook. Don't draw big. Draw small Yes. Yes, you have to draw lines like this. You can draw a dotted line also, or you can draw a line also. What? What you are asking, Shreyas? Yes, Shreyas. See, anyhow you can draw. Yes, anyhow you can draw. You can draw horizontal or you can draw vertical also. Even you are asking exercise 12.2 E. Yes, you have to draw only horizontal. Vertical is not coming. Only horizontal. Yes. Got? Now anyone is having doubt? Yes. Yes. In your notebook. In your notebook. Yes. In your notebook you have to do that, and after that you have to do this mirror activity, reflection activity. Okay? Instead of your name, you can write any other word also. You can write your birth date also and see in the mirror. After below your name, you can write your birth date also, and you can see how the numbers look in the mirror. Draw. Yes, you have to do in textbook only. Draw the lines of symmetry. Triangle. So triangle where one line of symmetry it will come from. Like yes, you can draw. See, it depends on the triangle. You can draw here also. See, if you draw like this, again here and here triangle you will get. If you draw like this also, here and here also same identical triangle you will get. So that only in that question, how many lines of symmetry are possible? All you have to draw. Just for example, I'll show you one. You can draw how many are possible, those all you have to draw. Okay? Did you have any doubt? Yes. Okay, so in our tomorrow's class, we will do next topic, slides, flips and turns. Okay, now again anyone is having doubt? Yes, yes. Who was there? Ma'am? Yes. Your left hand only will be up. Left hand ही ऊपर होगा. Your right hand will not be up. But you are standing in front of mirror means you are facing that side. But mirror means you are facing this side. That difference I am telling. I am not telling your hand will change. Your hand will not change. Right hand if you are doing up, your right hand only will be up. But your facing will change, no. Here you are facing this side. In mirror you are facing this side. That understood? That is reflection.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes?